Velvet skies in the back of my mind. You move like rhythm through the cracks of time. Every step, a syncopated truth. You're the echo in my soul, the fire in my youth. I try to write it down in blue and gold, but the feeling's too wild, too bold. It's not a whisper, it's not a flame, it's a storm with your name. The love I have for you, it don't fade, it grooves in the silence, in the breaks we made. It's vinyl crackle, it's midnight hue, it's every note I never knew. The love I have for you. It's jazz, it's truth, it's you. You're the hush in a trumpet's cry, the shimmer in a stranger's eye. We dance through shadows, slow and lean, like smoke curling through a dream. No map, no script, no plan, just the pulse